Good morning students. In today's session we will see the vector transformation from one coordinate system to other coordinate system and we'll solve some problems under vector transformation system. So here the transformation of vector. The transformation of vector means from Cartesian to cylindrical coordinate system, how the vector is getting transformed. You could see here it is Cartesian coordinate system to cylindrical coordinate system, and when you identify the dot product, the Cartesian coordinate system ordinates is going to be ax, ay, az, and the cylindrical system coordinates is going to be a rho, a phi and az. And based on the analysis what we had earlier, here we'll be having cos phi minus sin phi 0, sin phi cos phi 0, 0, 0, 1. If you wanted to convert the Cartesian coordinate system to cylindrical coordinate system, the Cartesian means what? X, Y, Z, right? So we need to convert X, Y, Z to cylindrical coordinate system rho, phi, Z. So if you wanted to convert the coordinate from X, Y, Z, that is Cartesian to cylindrical, then you have to use the formula as shown over here. In case if I wanted to convert my cylindrical coordinate system to Cartesian, we need to use this formula. So using this particular formula, if you remember this particular table, it is possible for us to convert the vector transformation from one coordinate system to other coordinate system in case of your Cartesian and cylindrical. Same way we have another coordinate system where we are going to convert the spherical coordinate system to Cartesian and Cartesian coordinate system to spherical. So here these are all the ordinates of the Cartesian coordinate system. This is going to be the ordinates of your spherical coordinate system. If you wanted to convert the spherical coordinate system to Cartesian, you have to use spherical. Spherical means r, theta, phi. You need to convert spherical to Cartesian, that is x, y, z. You need to identify x, y, z. So you have to use this particular formula to convert the spherical to Cartesian coordinate system. In case if you wanted to convert the Cartesian to spherical coordinate system, we have to use this formula, but before that we need to remember this particular table. We'll solve some problems under this particular topic. First one, given the vector field G vector is equal to y minus 1 into ax plus 2x into ay. Find the vector field at point 2, 3, 1 and b vector is equal to so on. So and its projection is going to be on b vector, which is 5ax minus ay plus az. Now solution is here we need to convert the transformation from xyz to rho phi z. Why? Because the given problem is in Cartesian coordinate system. Vector transformation from cylindrical to Cartesian is, the formula to be used is a rho, because we need to convert it to xyz to rho phi z. So a rho, a phi, az has to be converted from xyz. The formula to be used is cos phi minus sin phi 0, sin phi cos phi 0, 0, 0, 1. So here the ordinates given is xyz. So w rho, w phi and wz. From this cos phi sin phi cos phi sin phi 0 minus sin phi cos phi 0, 0, 0, 1, and you have to keep the constant, that is 10 minus 8, 6. 10 minus 8, 6 we need to place it according to the problem. Next is your w is equal to, from that it is we have identified w rho is equal to 10 cos phi minus sin phi from this particular equation. From this matrix, from this equation, you are going to write what is w rho, what is w phi and what is wz. W rho is 10 cos phi minus 8 sin phi. W phi minus and here 10 cos phi, like this you have to multiply 10 cos phi minus 8 sin phi. Here minus 10 sin phi minus 8 cos phi. Wz is going to be 6. So after writing, you will be getting what is W rho, W phi and Wz. From this, phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x. We know that y is equal to 8 and x is equal to 10. So we'll be writing it as tan inverse of minus 8 by 10, which is nothing but 38.66. You substitute the value of this phi in this particular W rho, W phi and Wz, so that you will get what is your W rho after substituting the value of phi. Then we will be getting what is W phi after substituting the value of phi as 38 minus 38.66, and what is your Wz. Therefore, the total vector field W in cylindrical coordinate system is going to be W rho into A rho, that is coefficient of rho in W vector, coefficient of phi in W vector, what is the coefficient of z in W vector. So the coefficient of rho in W vector is going to be 12.804 into A rho vector plus 6az, because A phi is going to be 0. So this particular term will become 0. Now the Cartesian system is given. Given the Cartesian vector field H is equal to 20 AR vector minus 10 A phi vector and plus AZ vector. Here the given ordinates is in terms of your spherical coordinate system, that is not in spherical coordinate system, it is in cylindrical coordinate system, that is rho, phi, z. You can see the value of H rho in H vector is going to be 20. The value of H phi in H vector is going to be minus 10. The value of Hz in H vector is going to be 3. So the given ordinates is in cylindrical coordinate system, and you have to find the and the at point P x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to minus 1. Here you have to convert the cylindrical coordinate. The system given is cylindrical, so cylindrical coordinate system should be converted to Cartesian. The vector transformation to convert the cylindrical system to the Cartesian is nothing but ax, ay, az, cos phi, sin phi 0 minus sin phi, cos phi 0, 0, 0, 1, and here a rho, a phi and az vector. Next one, hx, hy and hz. So you have to identify what is your hx, what is your hy and what is your hz. Because here you are going to identify the hx, hy and hz. Cos phi minus sin phi 0, sin phi, cos phi 0, 0, 0, 1. You need to substitute the value of h rho, h phi and hz. This is h rho, h phi and hz. After substituting, you will get hx is equal to 20 cos phi plus 10 sin phi, hy is equal to 20 sin phi minus 10 cos phi, hz is equal to 3. From this, you have to identify what is the value of phi. Phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x. And in the point given, in problem they had given the point as 5, 2, minus 1. This is your x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Substituting the value of y and x, will get the value of phi as 21.84. Substitute the value of phi as 21.84 in these two equations to identify what is hx, hy and hz. So when you substitute, you are getting hx is equal to 22.282, hy is equal to minus 1.856 and hz is equal to, already the hz is given in the problem. So the total value of h in Cartesian coordinate system, you need to identify the Cartesian system. So the identified parameter h vector in Cartesian coordinate system is going to be 22.282 ax vector minus 1.856 ay vector plus 3 az vector. Next, obtain the spherical coordinate of 10 ax vector at point x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 4. So we need to obtain the spherical coordinate. Spherical coordinate means it will be r, theta and phi. So you have to obtain what is your r vector, theta vector and phi vector from the given Cartesian coordinate system. You have to convert your xyz coordinate system to r, theta and phi. To convert the spherical to Cartesian, so you wanted to identify the spherical coordinate, right? So the spherical coordinate system can be identified by using ar, a theta, a phi is equal to sine theta cos phi, sine theta sin phi cos theta cos theta sin phi minus sine theta minus sin phi cos phi 0 ax ay az. This is the formula to convert your given spherical to Cartesian. So here you will be identifying the value of spherical coordinate system where the Cartesian is given. So for the given field ar, a theta, a phi, you will be writing this complete matrix. Then in here you will be writing what is the coefficient of ax, ay and az in the given problem. So here the coefficient of ax alone given, that is 10. Ay, az is going to be 0. From this it is possible for us to identify the value of ar, a theta and a phi. Once identified, we need to identify the value of theta and phi. Theta and phi can be identified with the given coordinate p is equal to, p of x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 4. From this it is possible for us to identify the value of theta and phi. So phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x, where y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. So after identifying, you will be getting minus 33.69 degree. This phi you have to substitute it in ar, a theta and a phi. Wherever phi is available, you have to substitute the value of phi as minus 33.69. Then theta can be identified as cos inverse of z by r. The value of z is given and x, y, z is also given. So r is equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square. So once you identify, you are getting theta as 42.0311. So substitute the value of theta and phi to obtain the value of ar, a theta, a phi, and finally we will be getting the total vector a is equal to minus 5.5702 ar vector, minus 6.18 a5 a theta vector and minus 5.547 a phi vector. This is the unit, that is, it is the vector obtained from your Cartesian coordinate system to a spherical. So the problem whatever we have solved is from Cartesian, it has been converted to spherical coordinate system. Thank you students.